Okay, so let's record, okay? So first of all, everybody, we have learned that if we know 4 plus 6, sorry, A plus B equals 6, okay? Let's make it big, 20, okay? So what is the biggest value of A times B? Cynthia, can you tell me?
Oh, okay. 100.
Okay, very good. It's 100, okay? But Cynthia, if A cannot equals B, so A times B maximum equals what? 有没有人告诉我？
我想做。
Okay, Serena.
It's 9 times 11, which is 99.
Very good. Okay. So we have learned the maximum value, right, Violet? Okay, so today we're going to learn the minimum value. So first of all, I want to ask Aria, what is minimum value?
Like, it has to be above that number.
Okay, so it must be above the number. So how do we do this? So for instance, we have A plus B, still the same thing, okay, equals 20, okay? So we know the maximum value is either 199. So who can just think about it? What is the smallest number?
1 and 20.
1 and 20. Serena.
Wait,
At 1 and
no,
20.
it has to be 1 and 19.
Thank you. Joseph, 看一下，1加20等于21啦。Okay, my question is A plus B equals, so 1 plus 19 equals 20, and 1 times 19 equals 19. So that is the minimum number. Understand? So Violet, okay, Ariel, and Emma, the llama, I want to tell you that if something is having a maximum number, sometimes we can calculate the minimum number as well. Understand? Okay, so let's take a look at the first one, okay? So let's take a look at if A plus B equals 100, okay? No. I'm doing 99. Okay, so who can tell me what is the maximum number? What is 我稍微小一点吧，数字不要太大啊，小朋友们会害怕。30. What is the maximum number? What is the biggest number of A times B? Sorry, A times B, A times B maximum, and A times B minimum.
Can you use the same number?
Yes.
Can I?
15 times 15.
15 times 15 and also 29 and 1 is the minimum.
15 times 15?
15 times 15 and 29 plus 1.
那把答案写用 chat 发给老师。Very good.
I don't like typing.
Okay, so Serena, think about it. If you give me two numbers and you type them together, there's a very important thing you have to remember is these two numbers plus together must still equal to 30. Okay, everybody? Think about it and tell me the answer.
Oh, sorry, I did typo. It's 15 and 15.
Yeah.
I sent you my answer.
I sent you my answer.
Joseph, you sent the answer to everybody.
I swear to God, I made this mistake every single class.
Okay, I have received Emma's answer. Very good. I have received Ariel's answer. Good job as well. So
Very.
everybody, we are reading different ways, right, Cynthia? It's not always just a one kind. So it's 15 times 15 equals 225. And the smallest with 1 times 19 equals 19. Very good. Okay, so today we're going to learn a new chapter. Okay?
It's 1 times 29, not 1
Hey,
times
1 times
19.
29. I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay, everybody, let's take a look at the second one, okay? So now we're telling you the different things, okay? So Violet, if I'm telling you A times B equals 30, can you tell me what is A plus B maximum? Everybody, let's take a look at how to do this one. There's a very useful techniques. It's called table. Okay, everybody. So what is a table? So we can put an A and B here. So A times B equals 30. A could be equals 1 and B could equals 30. Correct, everybody? Okay, so what is the next one? Ariel.
2 and 28.
2 and times. A times B equals 30.
2 times 15.
Very good. So next one is what? Thank you. Violet. Violet, can you tell me? Hello?
3 times 10.
3 times 10. Thank you. So last
then
but
times
not the least, I want to ask you, Joseph, can you tell me what is the possibility?
2 and 15.
2 and 15已经在这了。
哦，还有一个
谁知道的？
5 and 6, 5 and 6, or 6
Very
and
good. 5
5 and
times 6.
6.
Okay, everybody, very good. Okay, so now after you do that, so who can calculate it? What is A times A plus B? So 31, 17, 13, and 11. So everybody, did you notice that when we know two numbers plus together, in order to make their product, the bigger the better, you need to make these two numbers closer the better. Remember last week, okay? But now, if we know two numbers times together and we want to make their sum bigger the better, we need to put their two numbers what? Apart the better, 对不对？你看这两个数字之间相差的最多，所以它们的 maximum 是31。那 A 加 B 的 minimum 呢 ？Serena is
Is 5 plus 6 is 11.
very good. Everybody understand? Violet, do you understand? Okay, so now if I have this one, so A plus B, sorry, A times B equals 40. Who can tell me what is A plus B minimum and what is A plus B maximum? Okay, everybody, please send me the answer by chat. Oh, I have received Violet's answer already. 这个是前面那道题，对吧？啊，对，我们现在有新的题。
I send you the answer, Carrie.
把后面那个 minimum 的再看一看啊 ，minimum 的再看一看。哦，对的，very good. Good job, Mac. Okay, Violet and Emma. Violet 是我们班里面第一个做对的 ，Emma 是我们班里面第二个做对。Very good, Serena, Joseph. Joseph 你要看看，诶，Joseph maximum 做对了啊，但是 minimum 我觉得不太对。OK, Serena, very good, Serena, good job. Thank you. 嗯
You my new answer.
你要把他们两个加起来的呀，你每次都让我帮你算，这样是不是不太好呀？每次都让老师给你做
You're basically my assistant.
Oh, really? Violet, you have a dance recital? Oh. 哎，我们班里面除了 Emma 和 Violet 是跳舞的，还有谁是跳舞的呀？Joseph 你也跳舞，
我也是学跳舞。
我今天上完课，我又要去跳舞。
你也要去跳舞
I
啊
have to go to soccer class for 2 hours straight.
I know, I know. Ariel 呢
Emma, is
？Ariel
it, Emma, is it in Michael J. Fox?
No,
Oh,
You guys are in Canada, so
对啊 OK。但是哎，但是 Joseph 我跟你说，我们班里面有一个女生跟你一样是踢足球的，而且她踢得很好。
I am in the beautiful.
Joseph，你来猜一下这个女生是谁？你猜一下，你猜一下嘛，你猜一下是谁？猜不出来。Serena 足球踢得可好。OK，
Okay.
好，
I
那
live
我们
in
来看下面这道题了。这道刚才那道题做的非常好 ，a 乘以 b 等于40，对不对？So a could be 1 times 40, 2 times 20, 4 times 10。好 ，Joseph 就到这儿结束了，对不对？还有什么5 times 8，对不对 ？OK，so
I did send you the 5
I
times. I did send you the 5 times.
对呀，你刚才开始的时候出来，so a plus b maximum equals what? 1 plus 40 equals 41. Okay, so a times, sorry, 为什么又到？So a plus, 哎呀，a plus b minimum equals what? Equals 5 plus 8 equals 30. Okay, so now everybody, let's just practice another question and moving forward, okay? So a times b equals 56, okay? And what is the maximum value of a plus b and what is the minimum value of a plus b? Okay, there's a second question. If a plus b equals 28, and what is the maximum value of a plus b, sorry, a times b, and what is the maximum minimum value of a times b? And plus a cannot equals to b. Okay, 2 questions at the same time, okay? 看看小朋友们脑子能不能转过来。
I send you the first answer, Carrie.
你最好2个一起给我，但是你做的非常快 ，Violet 很好，很厉害。
I sent you my answer, but I forgot to add a space.
Carrie, I don't understand the second question.
Second question 一样啊，2个数字加起来等于28，那有多少？这是上个星期学的，一样啊。那你也 make a table 啊。
But A times B equals max of what?
So a,
Wait,
I
I
want you to
finished-
calculate what is a times b maximum, what is a times b minimum. That's the same thing.
I finished both of my questions.
Maximum.
Oh my god. I sent you both
The
of the answers.
maximum value of a plus b, sorry, a times b and the maximum value of a times b minimum.
I sent you my new answer. But I sent you my answers. Both of them.
Okay, so the first question is pretty easy, right? So either 1 times 56, 2 times 28. Okay, so 4 times 16, and 7 times 8. So of course we know the maximum is 1 plus 56 equals 57, and minimum is 7 plus 8 equals 15. Violet 上个星期学的全忘了，那 a 加 b 等于28，对不对？ So we learned that we could be 1 plus 27, 2 plus 26, and 3 plus 25, and all the way. But we know that when A and B are close enough, then they could be the biggest product. So we can do 13 times 15. Because 14 times 14 is actually the biggest, but we say A and B cannot equals to each other. So that's why it's 13 times 15 is the biggest, and minimum will be when they apart the best. So 1 times 27 equals. Understand, everybody? So 185. So Cynthia, I think you got it backwards. So it's maximum is 185 and 27 is the minimum, 对不对？ OK， 哦，yeah， 你是对的，但是你那个 minimum 在那个上面了，那个自动换行了。OK, you're right. Everybody understand? Okay, good job, good job. Okay, so now today we're going to learn the new stuff. Okay, so 1 second. So today we are going to learn. Okay, here. I want to ask everybody a very simple question, okay, boys and girls. I want to ask you a very simple question. How many of you learned how to calculate the area of triangles yet? Okay, Emma has raised up hands. Okay, Ariel, Violet, 我教过你的，你忘记啦？ Serena 忘记啦？ Okay, so let's just review this. Okay, Joseph know how to do that. Okay, great. So first, I'm going to just draw a random. Is it a triangle,
Triangle.
everybody? Okay, so in order to name a triangle, we usually say A, B, and C, right? So we say it's triangle A, B, C. Correct, everybody? Okay, so now I want to ask you a very simple question. How to calculate the area of this guy?
The base times the height.
Okay, base.
Oh, I
Times
remember
height.
now.
Height divided by 2.
Thank you. Very good. You're all right. But for this question, what is a base?
AC.
AC.
Mm-hmm.
And then the
Okay, AC is base. Okay, what is the height? AC, what is the height? Okay, a lot of students just said, oh, 老师我不知道. Very good, Violet. Thank you. Good job. 老师帮你画的再好点啊，这样子。Okay, 这样子有没有更那个一点? Okay, very good. So now I want all of you to do a little square here. Okay, so that means that is the height. Okay, everybody? Okay, got it? Okay, so that is a very good. Okay, girls, very good. So if I tell you AC equals 10, okay? And this one would just say BD. BD equals 6. So what is the area of this one? Quickly enough.
$30.
Very good. It's 10 times 6
10
divided
times
by
6 divided by 2 equals 30.
Very good. Okay, so this is basic one. Okay, 好，小朋友说，老师，这个我早就会了，我们怎么还学这个东西啊？哎，我来了啊，来了啊，难的东西来了啊，看好了。Okay, so everybody, I want to cut this triangle into two of them. Okay, I'm going to color them. Okay, I'm going to color the blue one. So there's a blue one, and everybody, there is a pink one. Okay, everybody understand? Okay, so I put this one E, okay? So we have a new triangle ABE and a new triangle BCE. Understand, everybody? So BCE is the blue one and ABE is the pink one. Everybody understand? Okay, I try to do the different ones. So BCE, 这样子小朋友看起来更方便啊. Okay, so like that. Okay, so now let me tell you, okay? I don't know what is the AE. I don't know what is EC, but I know the ratio of AE to EC is 1 to 2. Okay, everybody? So AE to EC equals 2 to 1. We have learned this one before, right? So ratio is the same as fraction. So AE to EC equals 2 to 1. Okay, so everybody, I want to tell me the area of the pink one and the area of the blue one. Okay, I know it looks very scary, but try to think about it. Okay, I have received a couple answers. Okay, very good. So let's take a look at this one, okay? So everybody, how do we do this? We need to think about it. What is the area of the triangle? How do we do the triangle area? Everybody, base times height, correct?
Divided by 2.
Divided by 2, very good. So for ABE, what is the base? Violet, what is ABE, this triangle's base? So we have a triangle ABE. What is the base of this triangle? Ariel, can you tell me? Can you help me?
AD.
So 我们再来看一下，这里有个三角形，对不对？这个三角形，我问你，这个三角形的 base 是什么
AD.
？AD，你这个三角形就只有一半啊？是什么
AE.
？Very good, AE, good job. So what is the height for this one?
BD.
Very good. Divided by 2, correct? So do we know BD?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So it's still 6, right? Okay, so still 6. So now I want to ask Serena, what is triangle BCE the base? What is BCE's base?
EC.
Very good, thank you. So what is the height? Yeah, this is a very important question because a lot of students don't know how to find the height of that one.
Isn't it still just BD?
Very good. Still BD. Thank you very much. Okay, everybody, when we see the obtuse triangles, you need to know The height is actually outside. It's here. Get it? So it's the same thing. So still EC times 6 divided by 2. Everybody correct? Okay, but we know this one is 10 centimeter, but we don't know what is AE, what is EC, right? But let's take a look at this one. Because AE times BD divided by 2. So let's take a look at this one. So AE and EC is 2 to 1. So we can say, 如果我们把这里一半切掉，那老师问你，这三个三角形是不是一样大呀？ Are they the same or not the same? They're the same, right? So if total is 30, so who can tell me this blue one is what? If I add a line here, so the total is 30, the blue one is what? So 1, 2, 3. So these three parts, the same or not the same?
Same.
Same, okay, so the total is 30. Can I use 30 divided by what?
3.
3.
Very good. So equals what?
10.
Very good. So which one is 10?
The blue one.
Very good. Who said it? Very good, Emma. Good job. So the blue one is 10. So what is the pink one?
20.
20.
20.
Very good. Good job. 20 and 10. Okay, everybody? So let's take a look at this one. There's a bigger triangle. If I know it is 30 and their base is 2 to 1. So their area is also what? 2 to 1. Get it, everybody? Do we have to really calculate it anymore? No. Understand, everybody? Very easy, okay? So now let's do another one, okay? So still, we have a bigger triangle. Everybody take a look, okay? So this time, this is, the whole triangle is 50 centimeters square. A, B, and C, okay? And I have a D dot, which is making the BD to DC. Sorry, this one's not perfect. Making like that. So BD to DC is 4 to 1. Okay, BD to DC equals 4 to 1. So can you tell me what is the area of A, BD? What is the area of ACD? Everybody think about it, okay? So I didn't tell you what is the height and whatever, but I don't need it, right? Because, you know, if I have a little line here, I can just make this one into the same 3 lines, correct, everybody? And I connect them 1 and 2 and, and 3. It should be, each of them should be equal or not equal. All of them are equal because they have the same base and the same height. So that's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they're equal. So all I need to do is 50 divided by 4
By
plus
5.
equals 10 centimeters square. So this guy is 10. And this guy is 10 times 4 equals 40.
40.
Understand, everybody?
Yeah.
Right? Okay, so that makes everything so easy, right? So now I'm going to give you a question, okay, everybody? So there is a bigger triangles, okay? So her name is A, B, and C, okay? So BC equals 10 centimeter, and there's a height here. So the height of AD equals 4 centimeter, okay? And I have a new line. Okay, so this line is E, and BE to EC equals 7 to 3. Okay, so everybody, I want you to calculate the area of ABE and area of AEC. Okay, everybody? So 1 question is very easy, and I hope you can, trust you can do it.
Harry, I sent you an answer.
Okay, very good.
Wait. Whatever.
再想想看啊，这道题目我要你求的是整一个面积 ，OK？ 这次面积没有直接告诉你们，对不对？So you need to calculate the area first.
Sent you my answer.
不对，不对，不对。
Okay. Okay, Cherry, I sent you a right answer.
Okay, yeah, this time is right. Thank you, Emma. Good job. OK， 我们所有的小朋友特别怕就是这种 geometry 的题目。OK，
Alright, I'm gonna send you another one. Okay, good. It's better. I sent you one with baby.
Okay, so first of all, everybody, I want you to first ask you, in order to find this area, we need to know the base times height, right? So there are two ways of doing that, okay? So you see, BC equals 10 and BE to EC is 7 to 3. So we can easily just do, this one is 7 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, correct, everybody? Right, because ABE plus EC must equals 10 because BE plus EC equals 10 centimeter. And BE is 7 and EC is 3. Correct, Violet? Okay, so, and I know these two is 7 to 3 and plus is 7 to 3. Okay, so 7 centimeter to 3 centimeter. So what is ABE? Very easy, Serena. BE times height divided by 2. Height is what? It's AD. So it's 7 times 4 and divided by 2 equals 14 centimeters squared. So the same thing, AEC is 3 times 4 divided by 2 equals 6 centimeters squared. Okay, and I can check my answer because this whole bigger triangle ABC equals ABE plus AEC. So if you plus them together, it should be equals ABC, which is 4 times 10 divided by 2 equals 20 centimeters squared. Correct, everybody? So I get it them right. Because 14 plus 6 equals 20. So I know I make a right arrangement. But everybody, we have learned the different things. What if I give a question that don't give you the detailed measurement? Okay, for instance, if I didn't tell you what is the area, what is the measurement of these ones, okay? So first of all, we can calculate triangle ABC equals base times height divided by 2, okay? So equals 4 times 10 divided by 2 equals what, Serena? 20 centimeters squared, right? And because BE to EC equals 7 to 3, correct, everybody? So that means the area of ABE and ACE is also 7 to 3. Why? Because their height is the same thing. So the ratio of the area equals the ratio of the base. Understand, Ariel? Okay, So now, how do we do this? This is exactly what I'm doing, okay? So Joseph, 你要看好了，老师可以把它分成什么？这里是1、2、3，3份，对不对？这个呢，我可以分成一样的1、2、3、4、5、6，这里有7份。So that is how we get it. So if this one is 3 portion, this is 7 portion. If you want to help you to understand it better, you can just using the line to cut these triangles into 7 equal parts. Get it, everybody? So this triangle has been cut into 3 equal parts. So all of them equals together. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 equal parts of the bigger triangle, which area is 20. So what is the basic one? Sorry. 2 centimeters squared. So each of them are 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So what is the ABE? Because they have 7 part of 2. So 2 times 7 equals 14. That is triangle ABE. And the triangle ACE equals 2 times 3 equals 6. Understand? And good job, Sincere. You get it right. And Emma, you forgot to divide by 2, right? Correct? Okay, so everything is right. Understand, everybody? Ariel? Serena, get it right? So we have used 2 different ways of doing that. Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. Okay, so the next one is still the same triangle, but this time I'm not going to tell you, I'm not telling you what is a base, what is a height, and everything. I don't tell you. I only know ABC, triangle ABC equals 100 centimeters square. And I have a D and cut BC into, this is 1 and this is 3. So BD to CD equals 1, 2, 3. Okay, so who can tell me the area of ABD and what is the area of ACD? Okay, everybody, 2 questions, very easy. Thank you, Serena. You are right. There, yes, you're right. Very good, Serena.
Area also set you the answer.
Okay, I have received Emma. Send me the answer. Good job. You're right. And Sincere, you're right as well. And there's a one thing, Sincere, remember, don't forget your unit, okay? Don't forget your unit. Ariel, 还要老师帮你一下吗？ Ariel? No, you get it? Okay.
Can I
Well,
go
we
get an issue?
Yeah, of course. Violet, take a look, okay? 看到这里有一份，对不对？Violet, take a look. So if it is this one, And I want to just to cut them into the same thing. So this is same, 1, 2. So you can just add a line here. So you're gonna find out the blue one and the black one, they're the same. So one part, 2, so they're the same part. So 1, 1, 1. So all of them having the same area. So 100 divided by 4 equals 25 centimeters square. That is this one. And the other one is just a 25 times 3 equals 75. So 75 centimeters square. Okay, very good, everybody. I think we are there. We're getting there. Very good. Okay, so now let's take a look at a new one, okay? So let's take a look at a new one. So what if I give you a triangle like that, everybody? Yeah. No. So this time triangles like that. And I am not cutting the same way. I'm cutting like that, okay? And I give you a question like that. And everybody think I'm going to make a line here. No, I'm making line here. Okay, so that's the same thing. So A, B, and C, and D. So AD equals to CD. And triangle ABC equals 50 centimeters square. Can you tell me what is the area of ABD? Okay, so next one, ABC and ACD, this one is 1 to 4. So AD to BD equals 4 to 1. Okay, and triangle ABC equals 100, 100 and, I want to make it harder, 50 centimeters square. So what is a triangle of ACD equals to? Okay, so 2 questions, everybody, please tell me.
Carrie,
Mhm.
how do we do the first question because there's no ratio?
I already told you, AD equals CD.
Okay.
Sometimes it's just showing the different ways, right?
Carrie, can I skip the first question for now?
Why?
I
你
don't
肯定
know.
能做的, you can do it.
我就想先做第二题呀。
也可以，可以。
好。I forgot what you do after you divide two.
你看，你要把那个线画出来，把这个三角形分成几份 Okay, I have received Serena's, Emma's. Congratulations, both of you get it right. Good job. Okay, so if you need, Joseph, how about you just to do the same thing, like cut it them into 4 parts and make a line, collect all of them. You're going to find out this triangle has been cut into how many equal parts? How
5.
many equal parts? Very good. 5 equal
But
parts.
that means the second answer is I'm gonna
So it's 150 divided by what? Violet? Divided by what? We cut them into 5 equal parts. So the whole triangle is 150. So 150 divided by what? Yeah, Violet, you mute yourself. I cannot hear you. What? 5. Okay, so divide by 5. So 150 divided by 5 equals what? 你为什么不能把声音打开？我累死了 Violet. Okay, that's it. Ariel, can you tell me 150 divided? Oh, sorry. Are you sneezing? 你还好吗？是流鼻血吗？ Okay, okay. Sincere. So you tell me. So 150 divided by 5 equals what? Hello?
30.
Very good. 30 centimeters. So can you tell me what is 30? This one is 30. This one is 30. So every single little triangles are 30. Correct, everybody? So now I want you to take a look, Cynthia. So ACD equals what? ACD equals 4 30s together, right? So that's why it's 120 centimeters square. Understand, Joseph? Understand, Violet? Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. Okay, so Violet and Joseph, I want to ask you. So what is AD equals CD? Very good, Violet. You get both of them right. So AD and CD are equals to each other. So Serena said, 老师你没有告诉我们 ratio. 那这个 ratio 就是什么 1 to 1. That means they are equals to each other. So that means this part and this part, they are equal. Okay, so all we need to do is just a 50 divided by 2 equals 25 centimeter square. Understand, Cynthia?
bruh.
Okay, Joseph 也懂了，对不对? Okay, so now let's move forward. Okay, so we're going to take a look at some questions. Looks different, but they're actually talking about the same thing. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. Okay, so I'm going to make it a little bit bigger for all of you. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so number A and number B. Okay, number A and number B. So let's take a look at number A first. I said BD equals 4 centimeter, CD equals 3 centimeter. What is the ratio of the total bigger area? 好了，老师说，小朋友说，老师啊，这道题目怎么做啊？你就告诉我了这个东西和这个东西的 measurement. How do we know the whole thing? Okay, so we know that because the area of ABC equals what? Equals BC times height divided by 2, right? And ABD equals what? BD times height divided by 2. Correct? And we can see the last one, ACD equals what? CD times height divided by 2. Okay, so everybody, you're going to find out all of them have what? Times height divided by 2 times height divided by 2. Am I right? 对不对？好了，那老师问你，2乘以3比上4乘以3比上5乘以3，这个3要不要打？不要了呀， so we can just cross them out. So the answer is the area of ABC to area ABD to area ACD exactly equals BC to BD to CD. Understand, everybody? Okay, so what is BC? BD plus CD. BD plus CD equals 7. So BD equals 4 and CD equals 3. So 7, 2, 4, 2, 3. Understand, everybody? Okay, so this part we have learned last year already, right? So how to do the ratio, right? So 20 over 50 equals what? Divided by, we can, because 20 equals 2 times 2 times 5. So 50 equals 2 times 5 times 5, right? So that's why 2 can gone and 5 can gone, because that's the same thing. So here, the same thing. We can just divide the same thing. We can just cross them out. Okay, so the next question is the same thing. So B. Okay, so everybody, I leave everything here. So you do number B yourself. Okay, very easy. Okay, everybody, are you done? I have received 3 answers. 又是3个小朋友。Okay, Serena, Emma 和 Serena 自信一点啊。You should trust yourself, 对不对？So AD equals BD, right? So these two are the same. 如果下面是一样的，这个面积是不是也是一样？ Okay, so if this is 1 portion, this is 1 portion, the bigger one is 2 portions. So it's 1 to 1 to 2. Very good. Congratulations, Emma. Congratulations, Serena. Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. So if BD to CD is 1 to 3, so that means the area of ABD is 1 part. The area of CDA is what part? Area. How many part?
3.
Very good. So the total is ABC is 1 plus 3 is 4 portions. So ABC is 4, ACD is 3, and ABD is 1. Get it, everybody? Okay, so let's take one number D. Number D is a little bit tricky. Okay, everybody pay attention to the numbers, okay? 非常非常小心它的 numbers， 要看它的 letter, okay? The letters AD to AB, okay, everybody? I'm going to make it a little bit bigger for all of you. Try to make it easier. So number D, all of you, please. 星星要加油哦。
I send you the answer, Carrie.
Okay, very good. Violet, 看清楚 A, B, C. Okay, the answer is not right, but you're on the way of being right. But I want to make sure, don't be hurry.
Are we doing D?
Yeah, number D.
Oh,
Emma, congratulations. I think you get it all right. Very good. Good job, Emma. So, Emma, the best way of doing those questions is putting the number. So, AD to AB is 2 to 3. So, Area, which one's AD? AD is 2, right? BD? No, so AB.
I send you another answer.
Very good. Good job. Okay. So I want to ask Serena a very simple question. So AD is 2, AB is 3. So what is BD?
1.
Thank you. So that means this is 1 part and this area is 2 part. So the total area is 3 part. So that's why ACD is 2, BCD is 1, and ABC is 3. Cynthia, good job. Okay, understand everybody? Good job, Violet. You change yourself. Okay, 很好，非常好. Okay, so now let's move forward to the number E questions. Okay, if BD to DC is 6 to 5 and ABD equals 36 centimeters square, and what is area of A, B, and C? Okay, everybody, I trust you can do this one. 加油 Serena， 加油，加油 Cynthia， 加油，加油，加油，加油，走来走去的 Joseph， 加油，加油 Ariel， 你今天是不是人不太舒服？
she's having a nosebleed.
Yeah, I think she's having a nose bleeding. Taking care of herself first, okay? Oh, Emma 已经做完了。Ooh.
Yeah, I feel like I'm doing something wrong.
Emma 很好。Okay, so I have received Serena's, I have received Emma's, I have received Cynthia's. Okay, so Joseph, what are you doing? 去哪里啦? Okay, so BD to DC equals 6 to 5. That means this is 6 portion, this is 5 portion, right? For the area. So we already know ABD equals 36 centimeters squared. So that means 6 part equals 36 centimeters squared, right? So 1 part equals what? 6 centimeters. So I want to calculate the bigger one. So the bigger one is how many parts? Is 6 part plus 5 part equals 11 parts. So all I need to do is 6 times 11 equals 66 centimeters squared. Very good. Okay, everybody. So let's move forward. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Ooh, this one is different. Okay, so if AD equals half of AB and ABC equals 48, and what is area of BDC? Very easy, and think about it and give me the answer.
I finally solved it for once. Or did I? I don't think I got it right though.
Hmm.
I sent you my I don't know answer.
I
Yes.
said my answer. Can you read?
And you know what, Joseph, you get it all right. Very good. Good job.
I should stop spinning my chin. It's starting to get dizzy.
但你不要再转了呀！你跟个小，你这个是不是小傻子？我跟你说，我们同意 Joseph 是个小傻子的人举手。Joseph 自己也举手。我把这个等下拍给你，发给你妈妈啊，让你妈妈看一下，在10:45。
我的
全班同
我那个叫什么？我考试的时候会拿很好的 score. I always get 100% on my math test and my English test.
对啊，但是
So
平时的时候有点像小傻子，是不是
Yeah, I'm really dumb.
Okay.
Wait,
Everybody, so let's take a look at this one. We know AD is a half.
I sent you an unsure answer.
OK，好，那老师问你，这个是 half，那另外一半呢？也是
Half.
对不对？ So that means it's actually telling you AD equals what?
Overboard.
Right, so that also means what? Triangle ACD equals triangle BCD, correct? So if they are the same, I know the total area is 48. So how do we do this? 48 divided by 2 equals 24 centimeters square. OK，这道题目只有 Joseph 一个人做对，你们还都举手说他是小傻子呢。哎呀，你们还不如小傻子。怎么办？OK, everybody，我们加油！我们不是小傻子都要加油了。OK，好，我们现在看难一点的了。OK，so this is a little bit harder. OK，so let's take a look at this one. We want to calculate the value of the shaded area. So let's say we have ABC is 150 centimeters squared, the bigger triangle, and BD, DE, and EC are 113. And please find out what is area of ADE. Okay, so shaded area. 太简单了，每个小朋友。
I think I solved it again. I think I solved it again. I'm just gonna write a question mark. Whee! Oh my god, I'm actually starting to get dizzy. 我说没你的答案，我不觉对。
那你要不要好好做啊？
Well, I thought of it. Oh wait, no, wait. Yeah, I think I got it. Wait. No. Wait, no, wait. Yeah, I feel like I got it wrong. Ow. If I know A, E, and C, I shouldn't be able to know the answer. A, E, and C is that, and I kind of solved it. Can never solve my life problems.
Okay, I have received 2 answers and congratulations, Emma. Congratulations, Serena. Both of you get it right. Good job.
I
Okay.
knew I
好了，小傻子现在不行了，小傻子不行了啊。
Ariel,
Okay, so let's look at this one. Okay, so everybody, so
那
Violet.
当然
Okay, 我再给 Violet 和 Cynthia 和那个 Ariel 一点时间。
Ariel still is having a nosebleed. Oh. Yeah. I'm really dumb. Why did I leave the things? Why did I? Oh my god. Oh, it was right in front of me. It was right in... 我又变傻了。
你又变成傻子啦？哎呀
我，是找一个东西，一个记得它在我的前面。I gotta think.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, everybody. So we know this is 1, this is
I have
1,
no
and this is 3, right? So because they are inside a bigger triangle, so Violet, so that's why this is basically BD times height divided by 2, the area of this one. This one's DE times height divided by 2, and this one's EC times height divided by 2. But because the height for all of them are the same, so that's why we can just deduct this one. So that's why the portion, the ratio of ABD is 1 part, 1 part, and 3 part. So that means the whole ABC is 1 plus 1 plus 3 is 5 part. Okay, so in order to calculate the shaded area, it is 1 part. So 5 part equals 150 centimeters square. So 1 part equals what? Equals 150 divided by 5, which is 30 centimeters square. And the same thing as if I want to calculate ACE, that is 30 times 3, because that's 3 part equals 90 centimeters square. Understand, everybody? Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. This one looks very weird because the triangle looks like a what? Like a flag, right? So we know ADC is 15 centimeters square. And AD and BE and EC, they're all the same. Okay, they all equals to each other. So I want you to calculate the unshaded area. Sorry, the unshaded area. Everybody, I just want to know the other way is triangle CDE. Very easy. 太简单。
I send you the answer, Harry.
Very good. Thank you, Cynthia. Thank you, Serena. And Emma, look at this. ADC is 15. ADC is 15.
Oh.
Oh, 题目一定要看清楚哦。Okay, so thank you, Emma. Because AD equals DE equals EB. So that means these triangles, these 3 triangle areas exactly the same. If this one's 15, So all of them are 15. Very good. Okay, good job. So now let's take a look at this one. This part is a little bit different. Okay, this question said 1.5 BD equals DE. 3 DE equals EC. And triangle ABC equals 280 centimeter. What is ADE? Okay, so this question, I'm going to help you a little bit. Okay, don't worry about it. I'm a very good teacher. I'm not going to leave you alone. So 1.5 BD equals DE. 好，老师先问你们一下 ，It's longer the DE or longer the BD？ 谁比较长啊 ？BD 比较长还是 BD 比较长还是 DE 比较长？哪个比较长？
BD
1.5倍的 BD 才等于 DE。
BD.
Very good. Okay. BD is smaller than DE. 那我们听看啊 ，Emma 有10块钱。OK， 1.5倍的 Emma 的10块钱才等于 Serena 的钱。那你说 Serena 有钱还是 Emma 有钱？
me
我
对了，
有更多钱。
对，你有很多钱，对不对 ？OK。So we can just make this one, okay? So 1.5 BD equals DE. So that means BD equals 1 and DE equals 1.5 part. Understand, everybody? Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. 3DE equals EC. 也就是说，如果 DE 是3倍的话 ，sorry，DE 是1倍的话，那 EC 就是3倍。可是现在 now D equals 1.5, 那 EC equals what? 1.5 times 3, which is 4.5. Get it, everybody? I want you just to put BD as 1 because BD is the smallest one. So you can see 1.5 times 1 equals 1.5. So which DE is 1.5. And the 3 times DE equals EC. So DE equals 1.5. So EC equals what? 4.5. So everybody, we have 1, 1.5, and 4.5. So that means for the area, it is also 1 part, 1.5 part, and 4.5 part. Understand, everybody? Okay, so now we know that the whole bigger ABC is 280, which is 1 plus 1.5 plus 4.5 equals how many portions? So 1.5 plus 1 plus 4.5 equals what? 我不跟你们说啊。
7
Very good. So there are altogether 7 parts equals 280. So can you tell me 1 part equals what? And 1.5 part equals what? Okay, everybody, please calculate yourself.
Where did Albert go? Albert 呢 ？Albert the robot 呢？
Albert the robot 去了别的班级，他星期六早上有事儿。
What about Elaine?
Elaine 也去了，他们星期六早上都要去跳舞，要跳舞，还有滑冰。
有我，
What about the other Elaine?
对，一个人去了星期一的班，一个人去了星期3的班。这个 Emma 以前也是星期3的呀。现
What
在
about
Emma
the other Elaine?
After next week, there's no boys in this whole class. So you're saying
最好
that?
快点，快点，快点。Joseph, 1 part 等于是
我不想 because 我好傻啊。
OK， 好，那我问问 Violet，Violet, can you tell me?
你现在出了
Violet, can you tell me? So 7 part equals 280. So 1 part equals what?
40.
Okay, very good. So 1.5 equals what? So 40 times 1.5.
Just wait.
I'm dying of boredom.
想想看，40乘以1.5都不会做啦。哎呀，那我们这个班级的小朋友怎么办？40乘以
60.
60?
I'm
very
going crazy.
very good. 60 centimeters square. Emma, good job. So AD equals what? 60 centimeters square. Okay. So let's take a look at the one last questions. Okay. So one last questions. So we are moving forward to the four-sided, okay, quadrilateral. So AE to EC equals 1 to 1. So they're equals to each other, okay? So BE to ED equals 2 to 1. Okay, so we know ADE equals 10 centimeter. What is the area of the following one? So this question is different, okay? So this one's 10. So let me ask you, so if we focused on this one, because this one and this two triangles, are they the same or not the same? Because AE equals EC. They're equals to each other. So if this is 10, this one's also what? 10. Very good. We know BDE equals 10, okay? And because this is 2 to 1, so because this is one portion, and we look at this triangles, these two triangles, this is 10, and this is what? 20. Correct? And because this is 20, so this is also 20, because this triangle and this triangle are the same. So ADC equals what? Equals 10 plus 10 equals 20. And ABE equals what? Equals 20. And EBC also. Understand, everybody? Okay, so that's it for today's class. I know everybody how much you hate about calculating the area and everything, but we did actually really good. Okay, Ariel, I hope your nose is going to be better. Okay, and next week we're going to have a better class. Okay, so everybody, that's it for today's class. And next week there's no area and everything. Okay, which you hate it, but you know what? When you 12 grade 11. You don't need to learn those things, so we need to have something like that. Okay, so that's it for today's class. We should have a wonderful night and bye-bye.